Most people fail, not because they lack talent, but because they talk too much. They announce the plan, they explain the vision, they seek validation before execution even begins. Silence has always been a form of power. Not every thought needs a voice, not every move needs approval. History is clear. Empires didn't collapse from weakness. They collapsed from exposure. Loose lips sink ships. One careless sentence, one detail shared too early, and advantage turns into vulnerability. In a world addicted to noise, discipline means restraint. Move in silence. Build in private. Let results do the talking. If you're building something meaningful, protect it. Stay quiet. Stay focused. Stay dangerous. Because growth doesn't need applause, it needs commitment. Stick to growth. Thank you.